Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering the essential documents so you can act now: Social Security Card, or SSN, birth certificate, proof of address, and any marriage or name change paperwork. Once those are together, log into your My Social Security account or call the local office to confirm your identity and appointment. This step speeds the process and prevents rework. Make sure photos are clear and names match exactly because discrepancies cause delays. You now perform the core actions. Fill out the appropriate form, such as SS5 for name or record changes, and attach certified copies of supporting documents. Then submit them through the secure portal, by certified mail, or at your local office. Choose in person if identity needs verification. While submitting, request a confirmation number and estimate of processing time, because that proof lets you follow up promptly and avoid lost document loops. You finish by confirming the update. Check your online statement and await mailed confirmation. Processing can take weeks. If the change doesn't appear or details are wrong, call with your confirmation number and ask for escalation or a supervisor review, because timely escalation resolves most errors. Finally, notify linked agencies, IRS, Medicare, employer, after confirmation, and retain all records for years. This prevents future identity or benefit issues and explains discrepancies if they arise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.